Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lifestyle Gardener. I'm going to show you how I use eggshell, banana peel, plus the whole banana, Epsom salt in the garden, and how I prepare it for in the garden. Stay tuned. Have a good day.
Shine, 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 shine in the golden gaze of the mighty eye.
I've been collecting eggshell to be used in the garden, and the reason why is because of the calcium that is in it. I figured out since I already eat eggs, might as well just save the eggshell for the garden because plants love calcium, and it's good for the environment also to reuse it. So I like to use a blender to cut up the eggshell because it does a very good job of doing it very finely. I put it in little by little until there's no more eggshell.
Darkness in the mind, it clouds like smoke, it lingers in the corners, it slides like a ghost, it comes alight from behind, beaming up from the unknown, dancing with my shadows, illuminating everything. I can see the glow from a love divine. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light of Adonai. Dum, dum, dum. Shine, 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 shine in the golden gaze of the mighty eye. Shine, shine.
So this is what it looks like afterwards. Very fine powder.
In the naked light.
So next, I got some banana and I separate the banana from the banana peel. And I was about to blend up the banana peel with a pint of water and do the same thing also with the banana fruit, but I didn't show you that part. I also put a pint of water. I forgot about this blender that sometimes when you blend liquid, the water leak at the bottom. I think maybe when I take it apart and wash it, I don't screw it on proper. I don't know exactly the reason, but that's what happened here. I was blending up the banana peel, and then I realized it started to leak at the bottom, so I had to use my other blender.
I drew the curtains up, pulled away blinds, heard a rushing wind through the windows of my mind. And I
Please
began
subscribe to my channel, it will really help me.
with a love divine. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light jacket didn't fit quite yet.
So I make sure I blend it up really fine in the blender. Liquefied it.
I'll learn to see it all at once. God in the little things. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light of Adonai. Shine, shine.
So this is what it looks like afterwards. And then I pour more water all the way to the top of the blender.
There's a darkness in the mind. It clouds like smoke. It lingers in the corners. It slides like a ghost. It comes alive from behind, beaming up from the unknown, dancing with my shadows, illuminating everything.
So next I went in the garden and
I can see the glow.
I take the eggshell and I put about a tablespoon of eggshell in each container. The calcium in it, the plants love it, especially if it's a plant that produces fruits. It helps prevent blossom and rot. That is, sometimes when you grow the tomato, the bottom part of the tomato start to go black. That sometimes is because of the lack of calcium that is in the soil. So it helped the plant to produce good looking fruits. So this container is the banana peel. I pour more half liquid banana with more water in the container, and I'm putting it in each container. I'm not sure, I don't know exactly what the potassium in the banana peel and in the banana does, but I figured if it's good for plants, if it's good for human being, it's good for plants. Because I don't know if you all know, if you have high blood pressure, that means you're lacking potassium in your diet, and so it's always good to get some potassium in your diet. So the Epsom salt, I use about a teaspoon of Epsom salt in the soil. Don't put too much Epsom salt in the soil. It provides magnesium. It helps the plant to take up the calcium. But if you put too much Epsom salt, it's not good for the soil. So you just need a little bit. A teaspoon is good for each container. It's better to put too little than to put too much. I don't know exactly what it would do if you put too much, but the magnesium helps the plant, especially if it's a fruiting plant, for the fruit to taste even sweeter. That's what I noticed. Like tomatoes or cucumbers, once you put it in the container, the fruit tastes more sweet. I don't know why, but that's what I noticed when I do use it in gardening. So that's what it looks like with the Epsom salt in the containers. Okay, you guys, have a good day. I will talk to you next time. Bye.